Hajj and Umrah are spiritual journeys filled with devotion and challenges. But amidst the crowd of millions at the Kaba, losing someone or something can be a daunting experience. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on what to do if you face such a situation. All the information shared is sourced from official guidelines to ensure accuracy and reliability. What to do if someone is lost near the Kaba? Number 1. Stay calm and look around. If you lose someone, the first step is to stay calm. Often, they might just be a short distance away, obscured by the crowd. Take a few minutes to look around carefully. Number 2. Approach the nearest security officer. If you cannot find the person, approach the nearest security officer. Security personnel are stationed throughout the Haram, and they are trained to assist in such situations. Number 3. Visit the Lost and Found Center. The Lost and Found Centers at the Grand Mosque are specifically designed to assist with missing persons. These centers are located near major gates like King Fahad Gate and King Abdul Aziz Gate. Provide a detailed description of the person, including their clothing, age, and any distinguishing features. Number 4. Utilize communication tools. If possible, call or text the missing person. In crowded situations, using mobile phones is often the quickest way to reconnect. Ensure you have a local SIM card or an international roaming plan for emergency communication. Number 5. Announcements in the mosque. You can also request an announcement through the mosque's official channels. Announcements are made in multiple languages, including English, Arabic, and Urdu. What to do if you lose something near the Kaaba? Number 1. Retrace your steps. If you lose an item, start by retracing your steps. Many items are found near the area where they were last seen. Number 2. Report to Lost and Found booths. Report the lost item at the nearest Lost and Found booth. These booths are located throughout the Grand Mosque and operate 24/7. Provide a detailed description of the item, including its color, size, and any unique features. Number 3. Use the official Lost and Found portal. The General Presidency for the Affairs of the Two Holy Mosques provides an online portal for lost items. Visit gph.gov.ca and navigate to the Lost and Found section to report or check for your item. Number 4. Follow up. Sometimes it may take a day or two for your item to be located. Ensure you follow up with the Lost and Found staff and provide them with your contact detail. Preventive measures to avoid losing people or items. Number 1. Set a meeting point. Before entering the mosque, agree on a designated meeting point in case anyone gets separated. Number 2. Wear identification tags. Children and elderly pilgrims should wear identification tags with their name, contact information, and group details. Number 3. Secure your belongings. Use secure bags for your belongings and avoid carrying unnecessary items into the mosque. Losing someone or something near the Kaaba can be stressful, but with these steps, you can handle the situation effectively. Remember to stay calm, seek help, and use the resources available to pilgrims. May your journey be blessed and safe.